What's up, kid family? Welcome back to the channel. Today we got the Toyota hat on because we are messing with a Toyota. What year is this, boss?
2018.
2018 Toyota Corolla, and he's my buddy, one of my subscribers. He's running hubcaps, and you know what? He was tired of running these ugly, nasty OEM hubcaps, so we decided to get these wheels right here. So stay tuned if you guys want to see these wheels potentially fit on this car. So guys, the most important thing is make sure you know where your jacking point is on each vehicle. Otherwise, catastrophe can happen. Now, explain that in a future video. Alright, successful attempt to jack up the car. Let's remove these old wheels. Alright, so the factory wheels are 16-inch wheels, and I believe they're 6 inches wide. Whereas these wheels off a 2014 Subaru BRZ are not only 1 inch bigger in diameter, they're 17s, but they are also 7 inches wide. These come with a 48mm offset, so let's see how this fitment is on this Corolla. I actually found the original one somewhere.
You found them?
I found one set for 600.
You should, man.
But I messaged the guy.
What he said.
Alright, so the first problem we're experiencing is because these wheels have a little higher offset than the factory sports model, we are actually hitting that brake caliper. It's probably just a little nick, but we do need some kind of spacer, probably about a mil or 2 mil spacer in order to clear the brakes. Some people might want to shave off some of this brake caliper because the top is not touching, it's only that little bottom bracket. Some people might want to shave that off, but you really don't want to mess with that. So the back should fit no problem. The front, I think we can get away with a little spacer.
Question.
Yep.
Do they need tires?
Huh?
Do they need tires?
I mean, if you're gonna keep these just for the summer,
yeah,
these are fine. These are not bad still, you know.
Yeah, just for summer, and then
yeah.
I'll do next year. Which one is better?
Doesn't matter. It's all
Doesn't
the
matter.
same
They're all
size,
gonna
yeah.
go on the back. Yeah, I want this on the back. I'll just change the front. I hope not.
So again, the specs of these wheels, they are 17 by 7 inches wide with a 48mm offset, and these are 5 by 100 bolt pattern. I mean, the good thing is there's no issues behind the wheel, you know, nothing over there going on. Alright guys, so the wheels were rubbing, as you can see right over here, against the brake calipers. Just minor rubbing. We were thinking a 3mm spacer would solve the issue, but they didn't have any 3mm spacers, only 5mm spacers, and probably didn't fit 5 by 100. So we picked up these mag washers right here, and we put these mag washers right on the studs. These are probably close to 2 to 3mm, so hopefully this gives us enough clearance to put the wheel on and not rub right against this part over here. So let's give it a shot. If that works, everything should work perfectly. Leave me a comment in the description or the comment section if anybody used these before and the results. But if this works, we don't have to shave this down, and they'll be good to go. As you can see, the rear wheels fit perfectly fine, no issues, and OEM wheel gives a good, nice look to this Toyota Corolla. So let's get it. Yes, sir. Perfect. you like it? You want to give me those spacers?
Oh, washers, there's not spacers.
Oh yeah, washers. It's the same shit though,
No,
you
it's
know?
not.
This is a poor man's wheel spacer. Disclaimer, we are not mechanics. Disclaimer, don't do this, what we're doing.
Why are we doing this?
Oh shit, you got a bomb over there?
I know.
So why did you decide to get these wheels, man?
The only wheels I can afford.
Oh man, how much did you end up paying for these?
I got a good deal though.
How much?
I ended up paying $185.
It's not bad with the tires and
With the
wheels. And the
tires,
wheels are
yeah.
overall good condition, man. A few scuffs here and
And
there.
sensors.
And they got TPMS, so it's not a bad setup, man. And yeah, once we lower the car, we'll give you a walk around of how everything looks. And let's check out this side. This side's already installed. The front's not too bad, you know. Obviously, we're not. It's an OEM setup, so it's not gonna look crazy aggressive. But the wheel well in the back, definitely hella gap. But the OEM spec wheels from the sports model again are only 10 mils wider, so it's really 10 mils is probably this much of a difference. So homeboy brought some Modelo, man. I never tried a Modelo in my life, so let's give it a taste test right now. Ooh, hola, me llamo Bully Kid. Comment below if you like Modelos. So overall, the car looks more OEM-like with these wheels. They do give the car more of a luxury look. The gunmetal inserts to the wheel definitely complement the window tint on this silver and black themed car. You got the nice black grille as well to complement that. Overall, we just took a spin. Everything's okay. Those those lug washers, as you can see, there is a little bit of space over there. There is a little bit of space, but everything seems to be driving and doing good. We're gonna retorque the wheels probably on all four, and I think we're gonna call it a day. This way, there's really no wheel spacers aside from those rings again, and just a nice clean OEM look, OEM setup. Should be pretty reliable. There is one problem though. It's the hub-centric rings. The wheels have a 56.1 millimeter bore, and then the hub itself is a 54.1 millimeter bore. So there is a 2 millimeter difference between where the hub should sit on the rim, and it's so hard to find hub-centric ring adapters for that. But we were able to find one online, so those are on the way. Hopefully they'll fit really good on the vehicle as well. And yeah. Where's my Toyota logo? Where's my Toyota logo? There we go. All right, man. Well, looks like you got a nice set of wheels, bro. Everything looks clean. I don't think you're gonna need spacers or anything. I think looks proper. What do you think? You like it?
Perfect.
Perfect. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. Another happy guy with a better fitted wheel tire setup on his Toyota Corolla. All right, guys. So we used those washers right here, but at the end of the day, we are going to be ordering hub-centric ring adapters right over here. They are 5x100. They do have the proper hub bore, so we'll use those. These washers are around 2.5 to 3 mils in size, as I'm imagining. So we're just going to get the right tools to make sure everything's going to last for a long time and Here are the wheels again, looking good, looking very good. We just replaced all these steel wheels and hubcaps, so comment below, Toyota fans. I know we don't have much on the channel, but what do you guys think?
I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along and see it's true.